here's the main shell, the back plate, the board, the heat sink amazingly stayed on.
And a bladeless fan.
Yeah, the memory got blown out of it.
Yeah, the memory's in the fire pit.
Here's the power supply and some of the rear frame.
Hey, are the fans? Well, yeah. It's
No, the outer shell's intact. The
Wow.
one blade's missing. One blade. But look at the.
all right.
Then there's the miscellaneous pieces out there. Here's the other side and the top.
I like this. This is fun.
This is beautiful.
Did you find the fan?
I found the fan. It was
Well,
over
you-
here.
Beautiful.
Pretty beautiful, Marcus.
Beautiful.
Beautiful explosion.
Mm.